When most people think of McDonald's, they think of fast food and burgers. But the truth is, McDonald's real business is real estate. McDonald's has been in the real estate game for decades, owning and leasing the vast majority of its restaurant properties. The company's real estate strategy is called the three-legged stool, which includes the franchises, suppliers, and the company. So you might be wondering, what exactly is this three-legged stool that McDonald's use? Let me break it down for you. The three-legged stool model is a business strategy that McDonald's has been using for decades, and it includes three main components: the franchises, suppliers, and the company. Now, the first leg of the stool is the franchises. They're independent business owners who operate McDonald's restaurant under a franchise agreement. They are primarily responsible for the day-to-day operations of their restaurants, including staffing, inventory, and customer service. The second leg of the stool is the suppliers. They are the companies that provide the raw material and other goods that are used to make McDonald's food. McDonald's has a strict set of guidelines and standards that suppliers must adhere to in order to do business with the company. So the final leg of the stool is the company. Now that is the McDonald's Corporation. The company provides support and resources to both the franchises and the suppliers as well. They include the training, the advertising, and the research and development. Together, these three legs of the stool work in harmony to create a successful and sustainable business. The franchises and the suppliers provide the resources and the expertise to operate and supply the restaurants, while the company provides the support and direction to ensure the success of the business. The company's real estate division, McDonald's Real Estate Corporation, is responsible for acquiring and developing land for new restaurants, as well as renovating existing properties. It also negotiates lease agreements with franchises and other third-party landlords. By owning and leasing the majority of its properties, McDonald's is able to exert significant control over the development and design of its restaurants. Now, this is very intelligent. This allows the company to ensure that all of its restaurants are built to its specifications and standards, creating a consistent and recognizable brand image. This real estate strategy has been extremely successful for McDonald's. The company has more than 30,000 restaurants in over 100 countries around the world. It's not just the brand and the food that is consistent. The design and the location of the stores are also very similar in all countries. So McDonald's is a global leader in creating a standardized experience along its outlets. But McDonald's real estate strategy isn't just about building and leasing properties. The company also uses its real estate portfolio to generate income through rent and other forms of revenue. In fact, it is estimated that the company earns billions of dollars each year from its real estate operations. So even though that McDonald's has been facing challenges due to changing consumer preference and other factors in recent years, the company's real estate strategy has been a key driver of its continued success. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions by renovating existing restaurants and seeking out new locations continues to be a key factor in its ongoing success. McDonald's has not been without controversies and corruption allegations over the years. The company has faced criticism over the issues such as labor practices, animal welfare, and the marketing of unhealthy food to children. In the past, there have also been allegations of bribery and corruption involving McDonald's operations in foreign countries. McDonald's has been specially criticized by animal welfare organizations for its treatment of animals used for food production. In 2012, McDonald's announced that it would phase out the use of gestation crates for breeding pigs. The company has also been criticized for failing to make commitments to improve the welfare of chicken and other animals used in its supply chain. McDonald's has been criticized for marketing unhealthy food to children. The company has been accused of using cartoon characters, toys, and other marketing techniques that appeal to children to sell high-calorie, high-fat food. In 2011, McDonald's agreed to improve its marketing practices to children in response to pressure from health advocates and governments. However, guys, you see that despite all these controversies and allegations, there's one key driving factor, and that is the McDonald's real estate business. No matter the allegations and no matter the changing trends in the eating habits of people, the real estate remains, and thus the profit accusation remains. So the next time you stop by your local McDonald's for a Big Mac or a McFlurry, remember, the real business behind the golden arches is real estate. And like any other company, it has its own set of controversies and allegations. Thank you.